Hello, in this video we are going to see geometric constructions with the help of compass and a protractor. So let's start with a protractor. This semicircular device is a protractor and it is used for measuring or drawing angles on paper. So let's see how we can draw the angles with the help of this. So if you have a line segment which is given to you, let's say this is the line segment and you need to draw a 30-degree angle. First thing which you have to know is which vertex, from where exactly you have to draw that angle. So let's say this is A and this is B. So if you have to draw the vertex, the angle from the vertex A, point A, from point A you want to draw the angle, then this point and the point A, the point where the horizontal and the perpendicular lines meet, that point on a protractor should meet the point A. So you meet this, and then this line segment which is there, the horizontal line segment, that should meet the line segment AB. So those are the two conditions which you have to fulfill. So if you fulfill these two conditions and then you match, let's say I have to draw a 50-degree angle, I have to start counting from 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I don't have to count from 180, 170 because that would be reverse. Okay, so from 0 you count until 50. So this is the point 50. If you see that this line is going 50, 50, 50. So this would be 50-degree angle. And then this is subdivided 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So if you have to do a granular angle, then you have to choose the point appropriately. Okay, so this is the 50-degree angle. Now you have joined. The last thing which you have to join is this dot and the point A. So if you join this, this is a 50-degree angle. Now let's say that you had to draw that from the point B. Again, you have to have the same conditions met, meaning this point B should be sitting on this point. Okay, that is the first condition which we have to match, and the line BA should match this side. Okay, so now the vertex would be at the point B. So the vertex is at the point B. Now we have met the two conditions. Now let's say we have to draw 50-degree angle. Again we will start from 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so this time we don't have to count from this 0. Okay, why? Because the line segment is this, BA is this side, so vertex is here, so 50 would be starting from 0 to 50. Then if you join this and this is the 50-degree angle you have constructed from B. So if it is C, then CAB and CBA are both 50-degree. The other device which we want to understand in this geometric constructions video is the compass. So this compass is having a point and we have to fit in a pencil here. So how to fit in a pencil? So you can open this ring here, put the pencil here. The important thing is that they should be at the same. So if you see like this, they should be at least on the same length, meaning they should form a horizontal line. It should not be, if the pencil is very up or the pencil is very down, then you would have difficulties in drawing the circle or a arc which you want to draw with this compass. So make it at the same length. It is, if the pencil is little out, that's still okay, but less pencil is big problem. Now before we go to the geometric constructions which can be done with the help of compass, one important property of circle which I think you all know is what you have to understand. If I draw a circle like this, okay, so the circle has this point from which we drew the circle, this is called the center point. And center point, the length from center point to any point on the circle would always be the same. So from here C center, if I draw a line here, let me call it CA, and I draw any other line anywhere else and let me call it CB, CA, CB, both are the radius and they shall be equal in length. Okay, so if I draw any arc anywhere, if I draw an arc using this compass, the arc would be equidistant. So this one, this one, this one, anywhere I draw the arc, the distance from the center, this point P, center point P, to any point in this arc would always be same because that is the radius. So the first thing which we are going to do with a compass is that we are going to bisect an angle. So let's draw an angle. I would say this is A, this is B. From the point A, I want to draw, let's say, 90-degree angle. So this is the point, and I meet the points, and this, if I call it C, then CAB is 90-degree. Okay, so if I have to bisect this angle, how can I do that? So first what I'll do is I will make a arc from here, point A, this is the point A. I will make a arc, and using the equal length I will make a arc here also, and this arc touches AB at let's say X and AC at let's say Y. Now what I'll do is I would take this X point and make it make an arc from X again. Okay, and this should be little big in size. At least it should be half of XY. Okay, more than half of XY. So guess how much is more than half of XY. Accordingly increase the size of this, and then you create a arc here. Then take the point Y and make another arc here. And where these two arcs are joining, this is this point where the arc is joining, join it with the point A. And now what you have done, you have done angle bisector, you have bisected the angle. So if you see here, this should be 45 degree, and it is 45 degree. Okay, so what we have done is, if I call it Z, so ZAB, angle ZAB equals angle ZAC equals 90 divided by 2 equals 45 degree. So this is how you can bisect an angle with the help of a compass. Okay, again how we did it, from the point, from the vertex which has to be divided into equal parts, draw arcs. You draw arcs, then from this again draw two more arcs, and from the intersection of those arcs join the line, and that would give you the angle bisector. Now let's say there is a line which is given to you and you have to create a perpendicular bisector. So what is the meaning of perpendicular bisector? So if this line, 8 centimeter line, is given to you, if you have to draw a perpendicular bisector, that means you have to draw a line which is perpendicular to this line AB, and it should bisect, divide the line AB into two equal parts, two equal segments. So how to do that? So again, take your compass, make the size of the arc more than half of AB. Guess what is more than half of AB? This is more than half of AB, and draw arcs. Retain the same arc size, go to point A and draw, draw two more arcs, and where these arcs are meeting, join these 2 points. So this point and this point you join. This is what, if it is C, this is AC equal to CB, and this is a perpendicular bisector. If it is X, this point is X, this point is Y, then this angle XCB is 90. Take a protractor and measure the angle, and you see that it is a perpendicular. And if you have to see it is a bisector, take this and you see that it is at 4 centimeter, which means this was 8 centimeter, it is bisecting, it is dividing it into 4 centimeter. So what we have achieved here is AC equals CB equals 8 by 2 equals 4 centimeter. And second thing is, this is a perpendicular, XCB equals 90 degree. Now let's say you have to create a perpendicular line from a given point. So there's a line which is given and there's a point which is given P, and let's say this was the line AB, and you have to draw a perpendicular line from P on AB. How to do that? So you take this compass again and make it little bigger than P to this line. Okay, little bigger. So I make it little bigger than P to this line. And then what I do is I make arc here and I make arc here. Okay, then again the same thing, little more than half of, if this is AB and these 2 points are C and D, so little more than half of CD, the length of half of CD should be the length of this arc, and make this arc here, and from the point C also retaining the same length, make a arc. This arcs join at this point. Okay, and then join P to this point. So this point, you have to draw a line from P to this point, and if it was Q, then what we have achieved now is P O D is a perpendicular, it is a 90 degree. So we can check that quickly. So we have drawn a 90-degree angle here. So this means that from point P we have drawn a 90-degree, a perpendicular on the line AB with the help of compass. Now we shall be constructing some triangles with the help of the compass. Different cases are possible. The first case is where we have the length of sides given. So let's say the length of side is 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Okay, and you have to draw a triangle with these three lengths which are given to you. So first you draw any one of these three lines. Let's say I choose the 6 centimeter line and I draw the 6 centimeter line. So this is the 6 centimeter line. Now I have to draw, I have 6, this one is already done, this is done. Now let's say I want to do this 5 centimeter. So what I'll do is from here to here 5 centimeter arc I want to draw. So what I'll do is I'll make it big till it is 5 centimeter. Now it is 5 centimeter. So the radius, if I draw with the help of this compass, the arc would have a radius of 5 centimeters. So from here to here I draw a 5 centimeter arc. Okay. Now the third thing which is there, the third side which is there is 4 centimeter. So I'll reduce the arc size. I'll make it 4 centimeter. Okay, this has become 4 centimeter. I'll take this, put it here at this point and draw the arc again. And if I join this now, the intersection point I will join. So this, and same thing I'll join from here to the other side. This. So now I have got the triangle created. In this triangle, this is 6 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, and this is 4 centimeter. Let's say that the two angles and a side is known. So let's say there is one side 4 centimeter and one angle 60 degree, another angle 40 degree. Okay, so this is very easy. First you use the scale to draw a 4 centimeter line. So this is a 4 centimeter line. Now you will go here, take 60-degree angle. So you know how to do a 60 degree. This is a 60-degree angle. Okay, this is 60 degrees. Now you take this point and draw a 40-degree angle. So this is 40. And you match this from here to here. So you have 60 and 40. Now the third case is that you have two sides known and the angle which is on those two sides is also known. So two sides, let's say one side is 4 centimeter, another is 5 centimeter, and they form a angle of, let's say 50 degree. Okay, so how you do it? So take the 5 centimeter line, make an angle of, the angle I said was, angle was let's say 50 degree between these two lines. So what I'll do is I'll do a 50-degree angle from this point. I shall join this. So this is 50 degree. And then I said that this was 5. I've already drawn it 5 centimeter. This one is how much? 4. So I adjust 4 centimeter from here to here. This was already 4. Then I'll put a point here and a arc here. And I'll match the intersection of the arc with that line. and draw a line here. So this is the second triangle construction. During construction of triangle, there is an ambiguous case. Let's discuss that also. Let's say that there is a line segment which is given to you. This is 7 centimeter from 8 to 1, 7 centimeter. Let's say this 7 centimeter is given to you. And you have been given that B is a vertex which forms an angle of, let's say 50 degree. Okay, I'll take a big scale. This is 50 degree. This is also given to you. And third thing which has been given to you is that AC. AC is what? So the line AC is given as 6 centimeter. The third line AC is given as 6 centimeter. So I'll make it 6 centimeter and I draw a arc here and another arc will come here. Okay. So these are the two places where the arc is possible. So now if you join this, this is also 6 centimeter, and if you join here, this is also 6 centimeter. So there are two triangles which are possible, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. So with this condition where you were given this line segment and you were given the angle B and you were told that from A to C is 6 centimeter. So this is an ambiguous case where two triangles are possible with the help of the dimensions which are given. So this concludes the basic constructions which you can do with the help of a protractor, and with the help of a compass. Thank you.